The City of Debrecen used a Scalable Cities Action Grant to facilitate the development of 3 positive energy districts. As the second largest city in Hungary, and a member of the Covenant of Mayors, Debrecen is committed to climate neutrality, while steering its rapid development to support the energy transition. To lay the groundwork for these PEDs, Debrecen created a PED Living Lab in a kindergarten building, inspired by the IRIS project and Gothenburg's Living Lab. The first step involved conducting a systems mapping of 18 Scalable Cities projects, which formed the foundation for the PED technology library and conceptual PED scenarios. Next came the design phase of the Living Lab, establishing design specifications such as monitoring infrastructure, wireless sensors, data processing and broadcasting equipment, and a monitoring framework. Guidelines were also developed for collecting and processing data, calculating key indicators, and evaluating the performance gap and impact of various PED transition scenarios. The Living Lab then moved into the implementation phase, installing monitoring equipment and integrating cloud services for data and analytics. Building occupants and operators received hands-on training to carry out simulation experiments, boosting their knowledge of PED systems and technologies. To share the project's insights, an open house event was held, and 3 targeted publications were produced, including a technical guide for building operators, asset managers, and HVAC engineers on PED requirements and practical experiences, a brief for real estate developers, investors, and municipalities on PED scenarios, performance data, and risk reduction strategies, and a public-facing brochure highlighting personal experiences of Living Lab occupants and the broader benefits of PEDs. Through the Scalable Cities Action Grant, Debrecen has not only built a PED Living Lab, but has also empowered citizens and stakeholders, accelerating their journey toward creating more positive energy districts.